Hi, it's Nikki Cudham, and we are just hours away from kicking off the sixth annual Essential Oils in the Bible class. And I am so excited for this. This is my favorite event of the entire year when it comes to essential oils because we get to talk about Jesus and how he used essential oils, how God commanded people to use essential oils, the different ways they were used biblically, and we get to talk about the wise men, why frankincense and myrrh. We get to talk about Esther, Queen Esther, and her background, and why myrrh was used in her case. And we're going to talk about customs and traditions of using essential oils found in the Bible, and all sorts of other really cool things. My favorite aspect is when we get to talk about Jesus and his love for us, which is manifest in his gifts upon the earth. And I am so excited to be talking about this, all these things in this class tonight. I have a beautiful presentation ready. I'm gonna be putting on some of these essential oils, demonstrating how maybe they would have used them back then for customs and traditions, as well as describing recipes that are found in the Bible, like the oil of gladness and the holy anointing oil and the incense for the temple. And I just love essential oils and how God uses them in so many different ways as found in the stories in the Bible. We're going to talk about the Good Samaritan. We're going to talk about the woman who anointed Jesus's feet in gratitude, and we're going to talk about Mary, who washed Jesus's feet with spikenard. We are going to delve into these and find out why these essential oils, the emotional characteristics, the spiritual characteristics of these essential oils, and it's going to be amazing. So you will leave this event feeling just wonderful and ready to just really connect with God during this Christmas time, this season. And I'm so excited that I get to be part of bringing the spirit of Christmas more fully into your life and your home as we talk about how Jesus used them and ways he prescribed in the Bible in terms of beauty, worship, cleanliness, healing, and all sorts of other amazing things. So definitely tune in. This is going to be on, I'm giving you the link. It's the Zoom link you will want to get on. It will be a Zoom video event, so you will have to click on the link to access. It's not going to be a Facebook Live. You're going to have to click on the link to get on. So click on the Zoom link. If you haven't already downloaded the app or the software, please do that ahead of time so you can just get right on when it starts. And it's just going to be so much fun. So don't miss out. I am planning to record it, but I'm not planning on making it publicly available. So if you would like the recording, please let me know and we can work something out. But I am just so excited for this. So be sure to download the Zoom app or software. I would recommend watching this on a bigger screen if you can. So if you have really good internet connection on your tablet, you can use that, or use a laptop or a PC of some kind, just so that you can have the best quality internet and the best visuals, because there will be a lot of scriptures that we're going to highlight briefly and talk about these essential oils as found in the Bible. I'm going to be pulling from a lot of resources, a lot of medicinal benefits, and a lot of the Bible verses, and even some things from the Talmud and other archaeological texts we're going to be pulling from, to really just bring these oils to light in the glory that they are meant to be. So please join me. I'm so excited for this. I've been looking forward to this all year. So you are welcome and welcome and welcome to join me tonight. So this will be 5 p.m. Pacific time, 6 p.m. Mountain time, 7 p.m. Central time, and 8 p.m. Eastern time. So this is going to be such an amazing event you will not want to miss. And I will see you then. Thank you so much.